It's stunning, isn't it?
So 3 aims to the party. The first one is to make sure that you have some hints and some tricks to choose the perfect jewellery for you and your loved ones, so that you have jewellery that you love and cherish and it doesn't remain in the box. The second one is so that I can introduce to you my new jewellery collections and any limited editions, and you can have a look at bespoke one-off pieces. And the third thing is so that you have a very exclusive opportunity to help look at design new pieces, bespoke pieces for you, so you can get a unique gift either for yourself to make sure you get the gift that you actually want, or for a loved one for Christmas. Now, the other little service that I would like to offer for people that come along to the parties is a bespoke service, when you can look at any of the bits of jewellery. So say, for example, some of these rings, and you might look at these rings and say, oh, I really like that ring, but actually it's too small or it's too big. And I don't really do blue, I like red, or I like green, or I like yellow. So I've actually got a whole box of stones, so that you can actually go through, think of what jewellery you might like, and select your stones. What I can offer at these parties, which I can't do at craft fairs and I can't do at exhibitions, is remodelling existing jewellery, and it can be anything that you want it to be.
We learnt so much today. She's so knowledgeable. She told us about face shape and whether to go for gold or silver. And just getting out of the house and coming, and we had a spot of lunch with friends, and we've just had so much fun. And I've had the most amazing time. Karen, you're wonderful. Thank you.
Karen made everything really, really enjoyable, and she really took the time to explain the type of jewellery that would suit me for my face shape and for my personality as well.
So if you want to have a fun afternoon or evening, a few glasses of Prosecco, look at some beautiful jewellery, go through the box of all the stones and everything, book a party with Karen, you'll have a great time.